Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to split column by delimiter using Power Query in Excel. So let's start. Here is my Excel data. You can see here in one of the columns, the name column have a first name and last name. So here I'm going to split this name by using the Power Query. So first I will convert this data into a table. Just simply select the inside the cell and press the Ctrl T to convert this data into a table. You can see the small dialog box is open, create table. Just click on the OK and your data is converted into table. Then go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data option. Then click on the from other sources and click on the from table or range. And here you can see your Power Query editor is open. Select the column you want to split. Okay, so I just select here the full name column and go to the home tab. In transform group, click on the split column option and click on the by delimiters. And here you can see one dialog box is open. Split column by delimiter. Specify the delimiters used to split the text column. Select or enter the delimiter. So just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the different delimiter is available. So in this name have a space. So I just select here the space. Okay. And the split add, select here the each occurrence of the delimiter. Okay. In quite characters, so I just click on the drop down arrow and click on the none. Okay. And click on the OK and that's it. Here you can see your column is split. Okay. In full name 1, full name 2. If you want to edit this column name, simply double click on it and you can edit here. So I just enter here the first name. Okay. And in full name 2, I just double click and enter here the last name. And after that, go to the home tab and close and load. And that's it. Here you can see the data will load in your Excel. Okay, with the two different columns, first name and last name. So this is a way you can easily split data in Power Query by delimiters. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.